The Ferrari Purosangue is a groundbreaking creation that redefines what it means to drive a luxury performance SUV. As Ferrari's first ever four-seater vehicle, it combines the brand's legendary sports car DNA with the practicality and space of a modern SUV. From the first glance, the Purosangue captivates with its elegant yet aggressive styling. Its aerodynamic body, sculpted curves, and muscular stance reflect pure Ferrari character. In a striking red finish, the car showcases every detail with passion and intensity, highlighted by sleek LED headlights, flush door handles, and a bold front grille that proudly carries the Ferrari emblem. Under the hood, the Purosangue is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers a breathtaking 715 horsepower. The engine roars to life with a sound that only a Ferrari can produce, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds. This powerful performance is controlled through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension that ensures precise handling, whether you're cornering at high speed or cruising through city streets. Despite its SUV form, the Purosangue delivers the responsiveness and thrill of a true Ferrari sports car. Inside, the Purosangue is a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship and technology. The interior blends luxury with a driver-focused layout, featuring premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The dual cockpit design offers both driver and front passenger their own digital display screens, while the minimalist dashboard eliminates clutter for a clean, high-tech feel. The rear seats are equally refined, offering spacious legroom, individual adjustment, and a sense of exclusivity not often found in high-performance vehicles. Technology in the Purosangue is as advanced as its mechanics. It includes a high-definition infotainment system, wireless connectivity, navigation, and a premium surround sound audio system. Driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking enhance safety without compromising the driving experience. The spacious cargo area and rear access make the Purosangue practical for everyday use, while still delivering the emotion and excitement expected from a Ferrari. The Ferrari Purosangue is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a statement. It merges performance, elegance, and innovation in a way no other vehicle has. For those who demand the soul of a supercar with the comfort of an SUV, the Purosangue stands in a class of its own, redefining the boundaries of what a Ferrari can be.